Today I'm gonna go get a pomegranate. I have a pomegranate tree, bush, shrub. It's only about this big. It's supposed to get this big. In the meantime, let's go pick one. This is gonna be a Pionus versus pomegranate episode. Oh, wait, I wanted to tell you something. See, if I stand here, it's like I got one half of a Mickey Mouse ears. If I just go a little further, now I've got little horns growing out of my head. So like I was saying, today we're gonna have special treat for Pionus Day. Let's see what we've got here. Ah, the sun, the special burning my eyes day. Can you see that? Those little red guys are called pomegranates. Let's go get one. There's the pomegranate. Now the last one I picked for these guys still weren't super red on the inside, so let's check it out. Meet me back in the kitchen, okay? Hey guys, what's up? There we go. Let's cut this booger in half and see what. Let's cut this beautiful piece of fruit in half and see what it looks like. Bye, Mr. Beautiful Fruit. Look, a little bit of juice. Look at the inside there. Beautiful. Hey guys, what do you think of this pomegranate? How's it going there, boys? You guys having a good old time there chewing away? I wonder if it's going to give you red poo-poo. How many feathers up do you give that? Come on, talk to the camera. Well, apparently he likes it, because he was not intimidated by the camera. He ate it very much. Very good. Somewhat tart and extremely messy, meaning that you're going to stain anything you get it on. Good thing this carpet's old.